So we start with Samuel Hahnemann, our master. A lot of things we do is thanks to him. But what can we learn from Master Samuel Hahnemann? What can we mainly learn? Up Hindi, English, mix you can speak. Huh? Kannada I know very less. I can understand very less. But then, what can we learn as the main thing from Master Hahnemann? Of course, his books and so many things he has done. What is the main thing you can learn? Anyone, any student can get up and answer. I'm happy to listen to all of you. Someone? This part is for Theridion, Asarum European. This part is for Ferrum. This is for me. Yeah. Anyone? I spoke yesterday. I heard that homeopaths from Bangalore are very sharp and very intelligent. ये इधर में नहीं होगा, वहां पे आवाज होगा. I keep distance in life also. Okay, so can anyone say, can anyone think, maybe our anchor, you were in Monday News, think you want to say something. What can we make from Master Samuel Hahnemann? Say, no, you have the mic.
Principles that he has laid so far for the present, past as well as future of homeopaths.
Of course, there are so many things to learn. We can have an entire talk on that. But the main thing that I would like to talk to you about is two things. One is all the struggles that we went through. That being homeopath has never been easy, will never be also. Not during 200 years back, nor will it be now, nor will it be 200 years going ahead. It's going to be a difficult journey. So fasten your seatbelts for it. It's not going to be a rosy path. Anyone who tells you that is talking crap. Number one. Number two, he's a man who was, of course, not just another hard-working person. That is a given. But he was an innovator. What means innovator? He was a person who was thinking beyond his generation. If he was today here, he would have been probably the biggest kind of holistic medical guru. Everyone would probably ask him what to do now. Because in his lifetime, he evolved so much. First of all, he understood this new science, homeopathy. Imagine this was not present. So he actually understood it. He understood chemistry, he understood so many different sciences, he understood so many different languages. But even in homeopathy, he came out with 6 different editions of organon. So he constantly worked on himself. He constantly innovated. He constantly evolved. Still keeping in his mind the original. So this is a very important thing about Master Hahnemann. The fact that he constantly evolved.